You can use AI. AI will not replace you, but AI will help you become more efficient and effective in your role. If you're a homeowner, AI will also help you learn how or know how to do things a little bit better, a little bit quicker, as far as learning about being educated on some of the appliances and whatnot in your home. It'll help give you the information you need, and it may also allow you to do some of the minor stuff yourself, saving you time and money. So one of the just little tricks I want to show here is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is absolutely amazing. And so here's just a real simple tip. You have a water heater. So now water heaters, air conditioning systems, breaker panels, all appliances, they all have their own data plates and labels, and they're all different. And some will just tell you the age of the unit. Most use codes. Some codes are simple. The first two letters of the serial number are the year or the month of manufacture, and the third and fourth digit are the month or the year of manufacture. So that could give you an idea if you know which one is which. It's simple to read. Other manufacturers use codes. Bradford White is one that uses letters, and the letters represent years. Rheem, I believe, is the HVAC company that does the same thing. So it can be difficult to figure out what the age of the equipment is. So here's how I use ChatGPT. I open it up, I open up the camera function, I go and I take a picture of this data plate, which is a lot of information all over the place. Then I get it into the ChatGPT, and sometimes I'll ask it for specific information, but usually once I hit the send button, it will go ahead and just decipher all the information for me, and then I'll go back and ask specific information. And it may even ask me questions specific to what I may want to know. So on this particular one, it took that data and it broke down and lined it out real nice. Model number, serial number, manufacturer date, product number, all the data. The inner tank has a 6-year warranty, parts have a 6-year warranty. It gives you all the compliance status and data. And then you can ask it specific questions. How do I light the pilot on this? What are the clearances? And it can give you all kinds of important information to help you be more educated about your water heater or other appliances, and also possibly how to do some of the things on your own, such as light the pilot, versus having to call a company out and they send a technician out and do it for you. You now can figure out how to do it. And I will tell you, if you do call a company out, because maybe you feel safer having somebody else do it that's trained in a professional, fantastic. When they come out, ask them to show you how it's done. Have them walk you through, because, well, it's nice to have somebody come out and do it for you. It does cost money. And if this happens at 2 o'clock in the morning and you're getting up early to catch a flight, or it happens at 6 o'clock in the morning and you're getting ready for work, and you can come out and do this on your own, man, it saves a lot of time, money, hassle, everything like that. So just one way to use ChatGPT to decipher the information. I know on a Bradford White water heater, they use the codes, and it gave me all the data outlined, and I said, what is the age of this unit? And then it told me why it came to that conclusion based on the codes and what each code represents and everything like that. So have fun with it, experiment with it, use it as a homeowner, use it as a technician to better serve your clients.